Hi everyone. Now I am going to explain about one of the major experiment, separation of chlorophyll pigment by paper chromatography method. Aim: to separate the chlorophyll pigment into four groups by paper chromatography. Requirements: Tecoma or Lucas leaves, Whatman number 1 filter paper, pestle, beaker, funnel, muslin or linen cloth, capillary tube, chromatographic chamber, acetone, petroleum ether, sand and dryer. Procedure: Whatman number 1 filter paper is cut into 2.5 cm wide and 12 cm long stripe that would fit easily in chromatographic jar. One end of the paper is cut as an arrow like. Then making of extraction. The Tecoma leaves are taken in a clean mortar with a pinch of sand and are reduced into pulp with pestle. Then 2 ml of acetone is added to the pulp and stirred well. The extraction is filtered through linen cloth by using a funnel into a beaker. With the help of capillary tube, the extraction drop is applied on Whatman number 1 filter paper tapering tip. This pigment extract is fixed to the cork of chromatographic tube at the top so that its tapering end just touches the solvent. 95% of petroleum ether and acetone is taken in 100:12 ratio and 15 ml of it is poured into the chromatographic chamber and placed the lid. This is allowed for 1 to 2 hours for development and then taken out to dry with the help of dryer. Result: the four pigments are separated top to bottom as carotene, it is in orange yellow color, xanthophylls yellow color, chlorophyll A blue green color, chlorophyll B yellowish green colored. Then conclusion: in this experiment, acetone used to dissolve chlorophylls. The solvent absorbed when Whatman paper is kept in the chamber and moves upward along with the pigments. The pigment separation is controlled by their distributing characters between solution in the liquid and absorption on solid surface. The pigments travel a particular distance due to its differential solubility. Many conditions like temperature, solvent system and direction of flow etc. are control the separation of pigments. Then the RF values are used to identification of compound. Here the RF value, RF means retention factor. It is calculated by using the formula distance travelled by the pigment divided by distance formed from origin. This is the image of whole setup of chromatographic chamber, then Whatman filter paper. Here we can observe from top to bottom the carotene, chlorophyll A and chlorophyll B. This is the experimental setup and whole experiment, the separation of chlorophyll pigment by paper chromatography method. Thank you.